Alright guys, so I wake up today, I was very bored and I didn't know what to do, so I find a box with the fender flares for the Jeep and I think I'm gonna put them on today. I need a tool, so let's go to Harbor Freight, get that tool, and then we're gonna go and install these fender flares. Those fenders are good too. I think I'm gonna try to sell them. This is what we got. We got some OEDRO Fender Flares. Come with instructions. Kind of hard to do these with one hand. I'll tell you how to do it. Instructions are pretty clear. I like that. Alright, so we got the first fender out. I'm gonna show you on the other side how to get it off the front ones. Let me see. So you have
probably gonna deflate pretty quick.
5-10 millimeter bolts, like 1 there, 2, 3. This one is easier if you take this one out, and then under here, actually it's right here. There's a hole in here, so this one you don't even have to. There's a hole in here, you take that one out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on top. You take those 10 millimeters out. We're gonna remove the lights. It's gonna be 2 plugs in here. I mean just 1 plug, electrical plug. Remove it and then just pull the fender out. And the whole thing is gonna come out like this one I already did. So we have the front already done. I'm about to remove the other side. That's the metal one. I take the plastic out, figure out how it goes. So let me take the other side out, figure it out, and keep going. Alright guys, so I went to Harbor Freight and buy the wrong tool, so I went back, returned it, and grabbed the right one. Just so you know, this is the one you need because of the thread pitch. Thread pitch is gonna be different, so if you don't get this one, I don't know, good luck. And it's gonna make your life a lot easier, just so you know. We got that one side done with the tool. It's pretty simple. I'm about to show you on the other side. We had the front, one side is done already. We're working on the back, taking the fenders out. Rob is taking the fenders out already in the rear. And it's just them plastic pop rivets. You're not gonna reuse them, so it doesn't matter if you break them. And this one is already out, so I'm about to show you how the rivets go in, and then you just screw it in. Pretty simple. So here's the tool. You get the rivet go into the tool, twist it all the way in, insert the rivet on the hole, pull, twist it out, and once you take the tool out, the rivet will stay there, and it's pretty much threaded already. So all you gotta do is do all the holes. Once you get all of them, then you put the fender and screw them in. I don't think I have to explain this, but I'm going to, just because you have the bolt or screw, the pressure washer, and then the flat washer, just like that. And then you just screw them all in, you'll be set. We're done. We're gonna give it a wash. A bit dirty, nothing too crazy, but I want to see what it looked like when the car clean. The front fenders, the inner liners, I'm probably gonna have to buy some aftermarket because it's open right now and I don't like that. Other than that, I think it looks pretty good. It's not gonna rub anymore whenever the Jeep Flex with 35. It shouldn't rub anymore. So let's give it a wash and see what it looks like. I'm sweating. This is Georgia, so you know, so it's hot, it's humid. Anyways, we're done. The Jeep looks pretty good, I think. There's a couple of things that I gotta get done with it. The front fenders, there's no inner liners no more, so it's all open to the engine bay. Not a big deal, you can run it like that, but I'm not a fan. I think it looks pretty good. Give it more aggressive look. I don't think it's for everybody. Not everybody will like this kind of look, but it does help a lot with the rubbing. If you have 35-inch and you don't have a big enough lift for it, it's gonna rub on your fender, so this will help a lot on that. That's my buddy Rob. He's the big helper today. Rob, you want to say something?
Hey.
Just hey? Okay.
Good.
Well, just so y'all know, look. That's his wife Jeep, the Black Betty. This is the Jeep family. Except for me, I'm not a Jeep guy, but my wife got a Jeep. That's her Jeep, by the way. I told you a couple weeks ago that I was gonna get a daily driver, so I finally got it. GX470 Lexus. It's pretty much stock other than the TRD Pro wheels, and so far I love this thing. So we'll see. I'm probably gonna make another video once I get a lift kit for it, but for now I just want to show you that I finally got it. Guys, thanks for watching. This is a small channel. This is not a 2 million corporation or anything like that, like some of these big channels like John Doc. This is just a couple of bodies here with a couple of off-roading vehicles, and you know, this is what we like to do. We upgrade our vehicles and we post videos of when we go off-roading and stuff like that. But anyway, if you find this video useful, if you like it, please subscribe, like, comment below. Thanks.